Today we're cleaning and extending our hiking trails at record speeds with the help of our new mini electric chainsaw from Tommyvic. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. First, it comes with a durable protective carrying case. Unlock the tabs to open it up. Everything is nicely organized and wrapped to keep your saw safe during shipping. Inside, you can find your user manual, some gloves with extra grippy grips, some stylish safety glasses, a spare saw chain, a bottle, a screwdriver, a wrench, a charging cable, a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, and then another 2000 mAh rechargeable battery for twice the saw time. And then of course your mini chainsaw. The chainsaw is 6 inches long and gives plenty of cutting room. It also comes complete with an ergonomic handle that's comfortable to grip. It also has a protective cover to help keep you safe from kickback, as well as a safety lock you have to hold to use. After your battery is fully charged, slap it into the mini chainsaw, push the safety lock, and pull the trigger. Then your chainsaw begins sawing. I took it out to the hiking trails to give it a proper test. It made removing branches and small trees a breeze. I was able to complete so much more work in a shorter amount of time than I ever could by hand. I mean, look at how quickly I cut down this new hiking trail. I used this to cut up some bigger logs for firewood, as well as some landscaping around the garden. The whole thing weighs 2.5 pounds and is super portable. And to make it even more portable, I can fit it in the back of my electric scooter for even faster cleanup. Before this, I was cutting down all the trails by hand. And although it's a great workout, sometimes I'd love to have a mini chainsaw. This really makes my life so much easier. The batteries are long lasting, and the chainsaw cuts through wood so quickly. It takes about 8 seconds to get through a full 6-inch log. Pretty impressive for being so little. But what do we say, guys? That's right, size doesn't matter. It's how you use it. And I've used it to clear up and make some awesome new hiking trails. So if you're looking to easily chainsaw some things in your way too, this chainsaw from Tommyvic might just be for you. Till next time, I'm going to go on a hike on my fresh new trail. See ya!